Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to create a newspaper in Microsoft Word in just 5 minutes. Whether you are working on a school project, a community newsletter, or just want to practice your design skills, Word's versatile templates and simple interface make it easy. Let's get started. First, you need to open Microsoft Word. Begin by clicking the Windows Start menu, which is usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the menu opens, type Word into the search bar to find the application quickly. When the Microsoft Word icon appears, click it to launch the app and reach the home screen. From here, we need to find a layout. Look for the More Templates option, typically located near the top or under the New tab. Word offers a wide range of pre-made designs that simplify the creation process for many projects. In the template search box, type Newspaper and press Enter. This will display various newspaper styles, including classic layouts, modern newsletters, and school-themed designs. Choose the one that best fits your vision. These templates provide a great head start with preset columns, headlines, and image placeholders, so you can focus on your content. After selecting a template, it will open as a new document. Now you can start customizing it. Replace the sample text and headlines with your own information. You can also adjust the font styles, sizes, and the overall layout to match your theme. While experimenting with design elements, remember that readability and organization are key. Ensure your headlines are catchy and your text is neatly arranged in columns for that authentic newspaper look. To enhance your project further, add high-quality images. Word allows you to insert and position photos easily to fit your design. You might also consider changing the color scheme. While black and white is traditional, adding color to specific sections can make your work stand out. Using Word to build a newspaper is a fantastic way to be both expressive and informative. Whether you are reporting on school events or creating a fictional project, the flexibility of the software is immense. By following these steps, transforming a blank page into a full newspaper is simple and fun. Remember that practice makes perfect, so keep exploring Word's features to improve your designs. That concludes our step-by-step guide. Now it is your turn to start creating. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Happy designing!